The materials that we need. We need a Raspberry Pi board, a breadboard, 4 jumper wires, 3 resistor, and especially an RGB LED. The RGB has 4 pins, the red, common cathode, green, and blue. Now, let us assemble our materials. So first, let us attach the RGB LED into the breadboard. And then, we need a 3 resistor. Put it in front of the red pin, green pin, and the blue pin of the RGB LED. So after that, we need a male to female jumper wire. The male end is connected to the breadboard in front of the negative pin of the RGB LED. Then, the female end is connected to the ground GPIO of the Raspberry Pi. The second jumper wire is connected in front of a resistor and the red pin of the RGB LED. Then, the other end is connected to the GPIO number 2 of the Raspberry Pi. Another jumper wire is needed for the green pin of the RGB LED. Its GPIO pin is number 3. The last jumper wire is for the blue pin of the RGB LED. Its GPIO pin is number 4. This is the code that we use in this project. So we import RPI.GPIO and import time. Set the mode to BCM. Then set warnings to false. So we declare that the red pin has GPIO number 2, while the green pin has GPIO number 3. Lastly is the blue pin which has GPIO number 4. Here we set up the red, green, and blue pin of the RGB LED. While true, the red pin is equals to GPIO.high, while the green and blue pin is equals to GPIO.low. This will turn on the red color of the RGB LED for 2 seconds. The other statement is the red pin is equals to low and the green pin is equals to high, while the blue is equals to low. This will turn on the green color of the RGB LED within 2 seconds. The last statements make the red low, green low, and the blue is equals to high. This make the blue color of the RGB LED turn on. So this will loop if it is true. Now let us run our code if it is working to our hardware. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned in this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe on my channel. Thank you and God bless.